Chunkai?
Very professional. We had many issues to discuss and many details to talk about, and their understanding of packaging was a very, very high level, and we have very good cooperation.
Chunkai Group has established in 1995 owns 3 subsidiary companies. We devoted to offer customers the best one-stop packing solution. Our sales team are fluent in English, French, Italian, Russian, Spanish, and Arabic to build a barrier-free communication space. For the design department, we have our own designer to offer customer unique graphic design and 3D design. After customer order, we have our special team to follow up well-developed ERP system, good relationship logistic company service to make sure delivery on time. We also have our strong supply chain, which owns 3 categories: paper series, plastic series, and biodegradable series, and also 6 factories, more than 300 equipment, and more than 1,000 suppliers to give customers the best solution on packing. Every product has been strictly checked by our QC staff during 7 complete quality inspection steps. We ensure overall product quality through evaluation of raw material and intermediates at each stage of the production process. We cherish every customer and take care of every customer order. We use our sincere attitude and trustworthy product quality to win every customer's satisfaction. Chunkai will always be there.